Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. So what if I told you? You could create a new AI video generator for fan-made cinematic videos in less time than it takes to scroll through your phone. No cameras, no actors, no endless hours of editing, just AI. And today you're watching this on Techie Dialogue. Now here's where things get exciting. The AI we're using today is Luma AI Ray 3 Pi, one of the newest and fastest AI video generation models currently available. This tool can turn simple text prompts into fully cinematic video clips, animate still images into moving shots, maintain character consistency across frames, and even generate footage in native 1080p resolution. It's designed to be faster, more cost-efficient, and far more accurate when following your creative vision. Whether you're making sci-fi trailers, anime action scenes, or cinematic storytelling visuals. In this video, you're going to follow a full step-by-step tutorial to generate cinematic scenes, animate characters, add sound, and assemble a complete fan-made movie trailer all using Luma AI Ray 3 Pi. By the end, you'll see how fast AI filmmaking has become, and how you can create your own trailer in just minutes. Now that you've seen what this AI is capable of, let's start the process of creating our fan-made cinematic video, step by step using Luma AI Ray 3 Pi. Step 1. Start by creating a new border project on the Luma AI interface by clicking the plus button, which will serve as your workspace for generating text-to-video or image-to-video content. Step 2. In the prompt box, type the first text prompt of your trailer, such as an epic aerial establishing shot of a massive futuristic city at dawn, with towering skyscrapers, storm clouds, soft golden sunlight, and a slow cinematic drone push forward to capture ultra-detailed architecture and moody atmosphere. Step 3. Optionally, add reference images to enhance your prompts or enable the draft option to generate multiple low-resolution clips so you can select the best one without burning through credits unnecessarily. Step 4. Navigate to the Settings menu. Select the Describe option to convert text prompts into video. Choose your desired aspect ratio, and set the video resolution to native 1080p for sharp, ready-to-edit footage. Step 5. Select the latest Ray 3 Pi model. Define the video duration between 5 and 10 seconds, adjust dynamic range if needed, and hit the Generate button to start rendering your first cinematic clip in mere seconds. Step 6. While the first clip is generating, prepare the next shot by using the Keyframe option to bring static concept art or images to life, adding camera movement and atmospheric effects to transform them into dynamic video sequences. Step 7. First, upload the image you want to animate by selecting the Keyframe or Image-to-Video option in Luma AI and choosing your file from your computer. This will be the base for your video clip. Step 8. Next, enter the text prompt describing exactly how you want your clip to look. Include details like character placement, environment, lighting, and cinematic effects to guide the AI in generating the scene. Step 9. Finally, adjust the settings for duration, aspect ratio, and any additional effects. Then hit Generate. Ray 3 Pi will turn your static image into a smooth, cinematic video, keeping character consistency and visual style across every frame. Step 10. If you have the monthly or yearly subscription, you maximize cost efficiency. Iterate on existing clips using the Modify feature, which retains core motion and structure while reimagining the environment or character, allowing you to create multiple variations without full re-renders. Step 11. Continue generating your cinematic shots by entering subsequent prompts, setting parameters, and producing clips, repeating the process until all video scenes for your trailer are ready, typically within just a few minutes. Step 12. Add sound effects or background audio, that is if you have the subscription, by opening each clip and selecting the video audio generation options within Luma AI, giving your trailer a polished and cinematic auditory experience. Step 13. Save all generated clips and import them into a video editor to assemble the final trailer, combining cinematic visuals, smooth animations, and audio into one cohesive, professional-looking fan-made movie trailer. And just like that, in about 10 minutes, you've created a brand new AI video generator workflow to produce your own fan-made movie trailer, powered entirely by AI-generated cinematic visuals, animated characters, and immersive sound design. No cameras, no actors, no expensive production crew. Just your imagination, amplified by AI. AI filmmaking is evolving at lightning speed, and tools like Luma AI Ray 3 Pi are pushing the boundaries of what creators can do from their own computers. What once required massive studio budgets can now be achieved by hobbyists, indie filmmakers, and aspiring creators who simply have a story to tell. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more AI filmmaking guides. And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakthrough in creative AI. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of trailers or films you want to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.